I'm gonna marinate my chicken in Moroccan spices. Start with garlic for that spicy hit, and olive oil. So it just gets all those flavors around that chicken. Cinnamon, it's got a great warmth. Oh, uber fragrant. Cardamom, sweet, aromatic. Paprika, I love this stuff. Colorful, smoky. Cloves, oh, sweet, bold. Cumin, so earthy. And turmeric, look at that color. You can't have a Moroccan chicken dish without chicken. Skin on chicken thighs, so much yum. Get it nice and tight, squeeze that air out. This is gonna get those flavors all in it. Rub it around, get all those flavors coming together right into those chicken thighs. And this goes into the fridge for like 24 hours. This, my friends, is a labor of love, and it's so worth it. Come check out this chicken. Look at that. Sucked up all those flavors. Now this is ready to cook. Hot pan, oil. Watch this. Take a listen. Oh, you hear that? The chicken applauding me. Thank you. I always sear my chicken skin side down just to get that extra crispiness and that extra punch of flavor. Look at that, crispy skin every time. Oh man, come here, take a look at this. See all those little bits? That's all the flavor. Now, I'm gonna make the sauce. Just a little bit of flour. It's gonna help soak up all that extra oil, and it's gonna make my sauce nice and thick. A little bit of chicken broth. Gonna layer that chicken flavor. Look how this is coming together. Now the lemon preserve. This is like, oh, it's like a knockout punch from the lemon. The rinds packed with their own juice and salt. Crucial in any Moroccan dish. And of course, the most important part of my famous Moroccan chicken dish, the smoked Moroccan olives. These are gonna be dense, tangy, briny. And the chicken layered into this wonderful sauce, right on top of that preserved lemon. This is gonna go into the oven for like 25 minutes. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, man, look at this. You know, needs just a little bit more olives and a little bit of cilantro. I said a little bit of cilantro. And I'm putting the cilantro in at the end so it keeps that color and that pop of flavor. You know, I make this for my friends all the time. Every time I make it, doesn't matter if they've had it twice, 4 times, it's always a hit. Oh, hear that crunchy skin? That's why you never skip that step. Wow. That Moroccan-spiced chicken. Those olives, that big punch of flavor. Next time you have a dinner party, you gotta make this.